Hey guys, I'm Ishwari and I have been making smoothies since years now. So I decided to make a detailed video on green smoothies, especially for beginners where they have so many doubts about smoothies. So in this video I will explain it in a simple way. What are green smoothies? Why green smoothies? Are they really healthy? Do they really help you lose weight? Are they a good choice for meal replacement? And finally 6 steps to making a healthy green smoothie. So let's see what are green smoothies. Green smoothies are those which generally has leafy greens like spinach, kale, chard or microgreens which give them their distinctive green color. But are green smoothies healthy? Most people do not consume enough of potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C and fiber, and that's why these are considered as nutrients of public health concern. And that's why green smoothies have become a popular way to meet daily intake of these nutrients. And unlike juices, green smoothies retain the beneficial fiber from the whole foods. Plus they also help in reducing oxidative stress, enhancing eye health, prevention of cancer, and controlling blood sugar levels. So green smoothies can be considered as a healthy choice.
But why green smoothies?
Leafy greens are best consumed raw, like in a smoothie, so smoothies are an excellent way to add more of them into your diet. Research shows that increasing fruits and vegetable consumption may improve many aspects of your health, and they make it easy for both children and adults to eat extra servings of leafy greens. But are they really helpful for weight loss? There are numerous myths surrounding this, but I would like to convey that drinking green smoothie won't magically make you lose weight, unless you make any other changes in your diet or activity levels. However, if you substitute a green smoothie for a high-calorie snack or lunch, you may find that it helps you manage your weight over time. So be careful when they claim weight loss green smoothie. Okay, but are they a good choice for a meal replacement? If you want to replace your meal with a green smoothie, you would rather need a high-calorie green smoothie to make you feel full, like a smoothie made with fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, proteins, etc. This would be an excellent option for a breakfast or a lunch. Keep in mind that majority of the store-bought green smoothies only have vegetable and fruit puree. Be careful when considering replacing it with a meal because they sometimes mainly include sugar and do not have enough calories or proteins to be considered as a healthy meal option. So if you're seeking a nutritious green smoothie that also tastes great, then today's pear spinach smoothie recipe might be right up your alley. Let's make the smoothie. The first step to making a green smoothie is to picking up your greens. It can be anything like spinach, chard, kale, collards, bok choy, dandelions or microgreens. But if you are a beginner,
Spinach is the best choice, especially baby spinach. It is considered to be one of the healthiest veggies to mix in a smoothie. The green flavor will be masked by other ingredients and it is almost undetectable in the smoothie. Soak your greens in salt water for about 30 minutes to help kill the bacteria and pests in your greens. This step is very important when you're having them raw. Then wash them thoroughly before using. What I love about them is that it gives a vibrant green color to the smoothie while adding flavor, nutrition and antioxidants. You are giving your body all the goodness of chlorophyll every time you drink a green smoothie. Now because I have this upside down blender, I will put greens first, but if you have a normal one, put it last.
Now the step 2 is picking your fruits. The first category will be a creamy textured fruit which is banana or mango, and the second category can be berries, pineapple, apple, peaches, pear or papayas.
I am using a fully ripe pear which gives the smoothie a distinct sweet taste that pairs wonderfully with spinach, and a banana with dark spots like this one is a double treat here as it sweetens and thickens the smoothie.
The third step is pick a seed. Generally flax seeds or chia seeds go well with green smoothie. A smoothie without a seed is a salad without dressing or a pizza without topping. Use them whole if you have a powerful blender or ground.
I am using whole flax seeds.
Step 4 is pick a nut. You can choose almonds, cashews, walnuts or pecans.
But make sure they are soaked. I am using soaked deskinned almonds. Nuts add healthy fat, protein and fiber to the smoothie.
Now step 5 is pick a boost. This step is completely optional. You can choose ginger, turmeric, spirulina, matcha, ashwagandha, trifara or shatavari.
I am using turmeric. It won't taste in the smoothie. Do use the boost wisely as more is not better.
Step 6 is liquid. You can choose water, plant-based milks or a combination of both. Many people are conditioned to believe that to make a smoothie you need non-dairy milks, juices or coconut water, but that's not true. You can simply add water. But if you want to use them in your smoothies, then make sure you're using the homemade ones because the store-bought varieties has additives, flavors, sweeteners and oils in it, which would ultimately make your smoothie unhealthy. So use homemade stuff as per availability.
I'm using unsweetened homemade coconut milk cubes for a richer taste. I have already shown in my previous video how to make coconut milk from scratch and cubes as well. I have mentioned the link in the description. I got the idea of making ice cubes with coconut milk because the shelf life is pretty short, and if you want to make a quick breakfast smoothie, you just need to add a few cubes and done. It also makes the smoothie thicker with a fresh coconut flavor and saves a lot of time. I'm also adding some water. Now blend this smooth and serve. It's always a good idea to start your day with a couple of servings of fresh fruits and veggies, and a smoothie like this is just perfect. If you're having one of those days when you just can't find the time to have a proper lunch, this smoothie is better than skipping a meal sometimes. Show some love guys, do like, share and subscribe for more such videos, and press the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Do write in the comment if you have any doubts on green smoothies.
Wow, don't waste extra money on some sugary crap and ramp up your immune system with this green powerhouse summer smoothie. Remember, a green smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. I'll see you next. Eat clean.